What's up, guys? We're back with lab number 7. It is called Food Additives, and what we're doing today is we're slicing up an apple into 6 different slices, and then we're going to have one that we add sugar to, one that we add salt to, one that we put undiluted lemon in, and then one with Sprite. We're going to close one up with a bag, and then we're going to have one that we're not going to touch at all. What we're going to do is we're going to see the changes in the different slices and how they are affected at 10 minutes, at 30 minutes, at an hour, and at 24 hours. So I'll be back whenever I get these laid out and whenever I get the apple cut. Alright guys, so here we have our apple. We're going to cut it up into 6 different slices. We do have our plastic bags ready, so we'll put those in there. We'll put our one slice in there. Then we have our Sprite right here, which you can see with the bubbles. We have our lemon juice, our salt water, and then our sugar water. And what I'll do is, once I put them in there, I'll just go ahead and label them. So that way you guys know which one is sugar water, which would be here, and then this one is salt water. And then here's my Sprite and my lemon juice. Alright guys, so what I have here is whenever I open the refrigerator, because that's where all my plates are at, you'll kind of understand what this chart is about. So plate 1 is going to be what we dipped our apple in sugar. Plate 2 is where we dipped our apple in salt. Plate 3 is lemon. Plate 4 is Sprite. Plate 5 is bag, which obviously you'll see bag. And then plate 6 is untouched. The 10, 30, an hour is going to be 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour. And what I'm going to do is on the chart, I'm just going to list. I'm going to list kind of the color, if it has any disfiguration, whatever. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open the fridge. Okay, you see our apples here. And we'll go ahead and pull them out one at a time. Oh, shit. So here is the one that was covered in sugar. Not too much, a little around the core, but other than that, it looks just fine. Kind of looks the same. Here's the one that we did in salt. Kind of the same pattern. Okay, our plate number 3 with lemon juice. I know my camera's not the best, but you kind of see a little disfiguration, a little bit. I'll write that down. Here's our Sprite one, plate 4. Plate 4 still looks good. Towards the tip, you can see a little white. Here's our baggie. We're one in the bag. Can't really see it through the bag, but it looks fine. And then our one that's untouched, that one right there. So, I mean, they all look good. They're all looking fine right now. We're going to go ahead and turn them all around. So we have them all facing the same way. So yeah, plate 1, plate 2, plate 3, plate 4, plate 5, and plate 6. Alright guys, so it has been 24 hours, and I'm just going to go back over the different plates because I took them out of the refrigerator and I put them exactly the same way that they were in the refrigerator. So we remember that plate 1 was with sugar, plate 2 was with salt, plate 3 was with lemon, plate 4 was Sprite, plate 5 was the bag, and plate 6 was the one that we didn't even touch. So now we're going to come over here, and here is our first one that was with sugar. Okay, this is the first one. It's a little soft, but other than that, it's really not too bad. A little brown. Yeah, a little brown. You can tell we're got a little brown. And then this one is our salt one. So we look at it pretty closely. It has a little brownness to it. But you can still see that it's still shiny, so you know it's still moist. And then we go to our lemon. So we put this one with the lemon, And really not a lot changed. I mean, you can tell it's still moist. You know, not much has changed on that one. And then you have our Sprite. Our Sprite's a little mushy. But other than that, the Sprite one still looks fine. The one in the bag, looks a little kind of dehydrated a little bit. Pretty brown for the most part. Actually very brown towards the core for sure. And this is the one that we didn't even touch. And you can tell that it definitely got more brown than all the other ones for sure. So this is the conclusion of the 24-hour process of all 6 apples. And I will put together the video and have all the information and everything sent as well. Thank you.